The Origuuds 80-gauge stretch wrap is a robust and efficient solution for packing and moving needs, ensuring your items are well protected from potential damage or scratches. Constructed from polyethylene (PE) material, the stretch film is not only thicker than most brands in the market but also odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a safe and comfortable packing experience. In addition to the PE, ethylene-vinyl acetate (EVA) is added to enhance the self-viscosity of the product, providing a strong hold without leaving any residue. The 80-gauge thickness of the Origuuds Stretch Wrap, which is higher than the common 60-gauge found in many other products, guarantees industrial strength and durability, offering superior protection against scratches. The tightly fitting film is water and moisture resistant, ensuring your goods are safe even in unfavorable weather conditions. The package includes 2 rotatable handles made of soft and comfortable silicone, making the installation and use of the stretch wrap easy and convenient.